Hello and welcome to this quick video. A bit of radio controlled news. Looks like HobbyKing have the latest generation of batteries that they have brought out. It's on the website. I spotted these a couple of weeks ago. These are the Panther Graphene. Yep, they're doing the graphene thing again, but these are both rated at a whopping 100C. Now, are you going to pull 150 or 130 amps out the XT30 connector? No, not really, but it's more about making sure that there's voltage sag and that the capacity is usable right to the very end, because the internal resistances are relatively low and they perform well under load. I've got two here, a 1300 4S for things like my little 4S quads. I also got my hands and ordered a 1500 6S. This is going to be perfect for things like the TBS Chapito, but also things like the Atom RC Dolphin that I've been building in the INA for Beginners 2026 series. Now, these aren't particularly expensive. Most of you that have been in the hobby for a long time will probably remember the days where HobbyKing was probably one of the default places to go for cheap, decent batteries that were almost consumables back in the day. And it looks like they're working very hard to make sure that they have lots of batteries in stock of lots of different shapes, sizes, capacities, and price points too. I got in touch when I saw these and was kind of asking what was going on, and it does seem that HobbyKing are genuinely working hard to try and get back to a similar place where they were before they kind of lost the plot 4 or 5 years ago, particularly around things like batteries. Now, they have also given me a discount code, so if you're watching this, you want to get your hands on some of these to have a go. I've been impressed so far. Voltage sag is very nice under load. They are actually pretty good, well, actually better than pretty good, bread and butter batteries. They're a slight cut above the standard blue wrapped batteries that I would traditionally have got from HobbyKing. The discount code is P360. P360. If you put that as part of the checkout, you should get some money off. But I just wanted to kind of draw your attention to the fact that HobbyKing do seem to be working hard to get back to, at least on the battery front, where they were before they lost the plot. And it's great to see high performance batteries like this, where in those higher current applications where you want to make sure that you can open the tap and your emergency kind of fail safes are not going to immediately happen, you're going to get your low voltage alarm straight away. These are actually good choices for that. So link below, again, discount code P360. But yeah, keep it up, HobbyKing. Let's have more different battery types. Give us back that fantastic selection that you used to have. And also, if you're watching this, HobbyKing, let's have a new Bixler as well. Smaller, lighter, and designed around modern HD FPV components and flight controllers. I can dream, can't I? Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.